So I am doing this video prior to the unboxing because I just want to give you a warning that this unboxing was terrible, trash, completely trash. I just realized I had a tripod. I could have done this way easier, but and I said a lot of things that weren't correct. I said that I had the Razer Blade 260. I just realized I said that. So I just wanted to just preface that before I, transition into the actual video. But so I got the Razer Blade 2060. Maybe that's how it sounds better. I got the Quartz color. It is 512 gigabytes, something like that. 16 gigs of RAM. And it has the 2060 RTX GPU inside of it. And so hopefully disregard everything I was saying earlier. I just woke up. I didn't even expect the package today. So I got the package earlier this morning. I thought it was supposed to come on Monday, but it actually came earlier. So kudos to you, Razer. Maybe because of the coronavirus that everything there's probably not a lot of mail going out, but either way, I should be transitioning to the video now. Okay, the day has arrived. Guess what package this is? All right. Hey, don't. I'm recording right now. Don't say that. Don't say that right now. You know what? Screw this. I don't got time for this. All right. This unboxing's gonna suck, but fuck it. All right, so I guess this is how you cut it. Okay, there we go. Let's look at the box first. All black box. What's that say? I guess battery warning. All right. You can tell I have never done an unboxing ever in my life, but it's okay. All right. Let's put this baby out. Wow. All right. Okay. So I'm assuming this is the power brick, which we'll open in a second. This is, of course, the laptop. It's kind of interesting bubble wrap. I've never seen this before. It's like a floaty. It's a floaty. Huh. Anyways, I did pick the Quartz, like I said earlier, because it's a cheaper product. Hopefully I can find a skin for this, but this shit looks super pink. I don't know how I can deal with this, but it's okay. All right, so this is a box itself. For gamers, by gamers. Okay. Let's see. Razer. Guys, there's nothing wrong with getting a pink laptop. Designed and engineered by Razer California. There we go. All right. Excited. I'm super excited. All right, so this has to be the power brick. What is this? Yep. Wow. Interesting power brick. And the wires are braided. That's new. I didn't know that. Let's see if you can take this out. What is in here? This is the plug. The plug. Cool. All right, so we have the power brick. We have the plug. Awesome. Put that over there. All right, let's open the laptop. Let's see how this laptop works. Okay, cool. Oh, this is nice. This is sick. And this doesn't even have a latch. That's kind of, Wow. This looks like a damn MacBook. This is crazy. Look at this. Look at this. Razer emblem. It looks like it doesn't light up, but we'll see. Nice finish. It's pink as fuck though, I can tell you that. But it looks like a kind of a, I'm gonna lie to myself, like not a rose gold, but something. All right, what is this? I need a damn tripod. This is crazy. Okay. Okay, Razer support. By the way, I need to order a warranty for this. We got the stickers, pink stickers, pretty cool. What is that? It's like a felt pad. It's to wipe your glass. Man, I suck at unboxing. Oh well. I don't think anybody has the Quartz 260, so I think I'm one of the first on the internet to have posted the new laptop. And that's it. Wow. That was a quick unboxing. I am surprised by the power brick. I think maybe because I was looking at the stealth. The stealth is a lot different. As far as like the power brick is smaller, and it came in, I felt like it came in like a box like this, but I don't know, it seemed like a different type of box. This one seemed, I thought this was refurbished for a second. I'm like, what the hell? Like, did y'all just give me some refurbished shit? All right, so let's open this up. Dang, sorry, I was trying to use this, but it didn't work. All right. Let's see. Can get this open. Nice. Okay, so not to protect it from sliding. The fans, this is nice. I'm trying to give you as much as a good look at it. All right. Yep. One finger to open. Let's try that again. One finger. This is sick. All right, this is actually the full HD. So I didn't get the OLED. Is it? Oh yeah, OLED 4K screen. I just got the HD screen. It looks good. You can see it is the RTX 260 i7 processor, 6 cores. I really wanted it for the GPU, but it looks good, man. Chiclet keys, they feel good. Trackpad feels good. That looks like the power buttons. Speakers. Guys, I mean, if any guys are like questioning, should I buy this because it's pink? It's not that bad. I do think I will get a skin on the front though, but the pink is not that bad. I can deal with it. I thought I couldn't deal with it, but let's see. Can we power this shit on? Hopefully they got some charge. Oh yeah. This looks sick. Forgot to show this part too. On the other side of the laptop, it has the USB-C, USB, HDMI, and mini display port. So that's another reason why I chose this laptop, because the Stealth didn't have, I think it only had 2 ports on each side. This had way more, so that could also help you in your decision. You get a lot more for the same amount of money. The Ethernet, the USBs, and then the headphone jack. This one is not that, and as you can see, I'm setting it up. It's not that heavy. And this looks like the setup right now. It's not bad. Background's pink. Welcome to Windows. As you can see, Trackpad's not bad. Okay, Razer internet. So I'm gonna set that up, but yeah, just a quick look. Just to show you how it looks when it's kind of set up. I gotta do the rest, but yeah. I hope you guys like this video. Hit the notification bells, hit subscribe, and if you need any more things to be reviewed, let me know and I'll purchase it and get it a review out to you guys. All right.